Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In this quick video, I'll show you how to clean up messy data using the trim formula in Google Sheets. Let's jump right in. Here we have some data with extra spaces that make it look untidy. To clean this up, we will use the trim formula. Click on the cell where you want the clean data to appear. Now type is equal trim, select the cell A2 and press enter. This removes any extra spaces from the text in cell A2, leaving only a single space between words. To clean up the rest of your data, just drag the fill handle down to apply the trim formula to other cells. And there you have it. Your data is now clean and easy to read using the trim formula. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.